Hi everybody, welcome to TechAgent Academy. In this video, we are going to be talking about CSS HEX, that is hexadecimal colors. So it says a hexadecimal color is is specified with RGB, ash, red, green, blue. In CSS, a color can be specified using a hexadecimal value in this form underscore RRGB GG blue blue. Now let's proceed. So it says HEX values. When we have double R, it stands for red. When we have double G with, it stands for green. And when we have double blue, it stands for blue. Our hexadecimal values between 0 and FF, same as 0 to 255, that we have RGB. So for example, FF00 is displayed as red because red is set as the highest value and others are set as the lowest value. So to display black, we set all the values to 0, which is same as RGB, we set all the values to 0. To display white, we set all the values to F, which in RGB, we set all the values to 25555. So experiment by mixing the HEX value below. So for the FF, which is red, 63, green, and blue, which is 47. Let's proceed. So we have an example here. Which is ash FFF000 is red, 000F is blue. As you can see, this is red, green, and blue. So if we have 0FF0 is green. We also have anyone. This is what's even the name? But it's another aspect of green. This is another one. This is slate blue and orange. So, and we have shades of gray are often defined using equal values for all the three light colors. So we use equal value, equal value, equal value to get all the shades of gray. If you can see here, we have FO, FO, F0, F0, F9, 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 which all of them, they are equal values. So now let's proceed. We have 3-digit X values. Sometimes you will see a 3-digit X code in your CSS source. The 3-digit X code is a shortened form of the 6-digit. So instead of us having FF, GG, and blue blue, we can just have FG blue hashtag, where our G and B represent red, green, blue components with value of 0 and F. The 3-digit X code can only be used when both the value RGB are the same for each component. I hope you understand. So we have an example here. We have inside the body, we have a background color. They used it same as this is the shortened value, same as this. We have H1 shortened value, same as this. So now let's pick one of our colors from here, in which we have FF A500. Now let's proceed. Let's create another example. I'll create an example for each of them. We can have another P tag, and we'll say we are dealing with HEX values. Now let's give it a class name. A class HEX. Let's just give it HEX. Then we'll come here. I'll say dot HEX. Inside this HEX, I want the background color to be, what was the value we saw before? We saw FF A500. That was what we saw. Now we'll give it a color of white. Our color should be white. Then let's give it weight of 50%, margin 5%. We don't need the margin, probably. We can remove the margin away. I'll explain all of this much better. Now let's check what we have. As you can see, can you see what it just gave us? We were able to generate this color with the use of HEX values. I hope you understand. Now let's proceed to the next part. Okay, we've already done this part. So that I just created one example on this one. Let's use EEH2EE. We can come here and say EEH2EE. As you can see, it has given us the value. So it is not compulsory for you to cram all of this. How will I know color red? How will I know color this? How will I know color this? You can use common name, you can use RGB, and you can use HEX. We also have HLS. We'll do that in the next video. But if you understand how this color thing works, you don't have to stress yourself. You don't have to cram everything before you can know how to use colors. You can just play around it, just for you to know better ideas about it, just for you to know, just play around it and you'll see it will turn out well for you. Thank you for watching this video. Please do well to follow us across all socials at Techisgrade Academy. See you next time. Bye.